Hey Mom, hey Donnie, Cindy, Megan. Hey, I want to show you what I made Shae before I pack it up. This is kind of crazy, but let me show you what I did. It's called a quiet book, and they're designed for individual play, or you could put her on your lap and have an interaction. So first let me show you how I got started. You know, that's what I love about creating. I had no idea what it would end up. This is how it started. This was in the first shutdown on the pandemic, and I was looking for a new project. Bought this piece of fabric. It's a Robert Hoffman. It's Penny Dollhouse fabric collection. I got it at Peacemakers in Costa Mesa, and I just thought it was fun. It was something to do. I like to sit down at night and embroidery, and I wanted just to embellish and just have fun with it. Cutting them in strips, like as in rooms, and this is what ended up. I never know how they're going to end up. It's kind of weird. I just I don't know exactly how it happens, but this is the cutest thing. I've been making things since I was 3. Creating is my happy place and my passion. My hope is that you feel inspired as a result of watching my videos and create something incredible. I would love to hear about it by leaving me a comment below and give the thumbs up for other interested viewers. If this is your first time here, I would love for you to subscribe, because this channel is all about creativity and inspiration. I hope you feel inspired to create something amazing. Feel free to share the inspiration, because life is a journey we make together. And now I'll show you how this creative project was done. So the only thing that I didn't use was the door, and instead of the door, I used the castle. I actually had the castle, so now my mind is starting to figure out that it's going to be a castle, and then when I found the castle fabric, that pretty much sealed the deal. So I bought the Knights and Dragon pattern from Little Grandma's store on Etsy. I love the instructions. They were so easy to follow. It gives you lots of helpful hints. So in the instructions it tells you how to either make your own freezer paper, or as I chose, I just bought it. This is the freezer paper sheets. I bought 50 of them, really decent price on Amazon. So I liked that a lot. So to make the dragon, she gives you a picture first. She gives you an outline of all the pieces. So this is what you copy onto your freezer paper and cut each piece out of different colors felts that you choose. And then she tells you how to put it together in what order. Super easy, super inexpensive, and super cute. And I had the best time. And it's like kind of like doing like paper dolls when you were a kid, cutting out the individual pieces. And she tells you exactly, you know, put the face first, put the hair next. And you can use any fabric or any felt or any wool that you want. The freezer paper technique is very cool. If you've never tried it, you really have to. Had the little Google eyes, but it goes right down the list of what to do next. Can't wait to do another project. So here is, and that's what you get. Is that not adorable? So I created this little cage for my dragon, and here are my little knights. I put Velcro on the back so that they would just stick onto my felts. But let me show you how it looks. The king and queen. So so you can, you know, interact with them. Little doors. So I have little animals in here. I made this when she was born, guys. I have no idea when I'll be able to give it to her. The door's so cute, and the queen. So inside the castle, of course, you need a kitchen. It opens up. And then I just put Velcro on the back of my pieces that I found. I don't even know where I found them. Bowl of cereal. Got some pancakes. A lot of the embellishments I did glue or sew on, so you won't be able to remove it. But this teapot. Got little doors that open. It was so fun to make. I just loved every bit of it. Little bedroom. And of course you have to have a sewing room. Oh, I found some crowns, so I put some Velcro on the crowns, and now you can change out the king of all of the little people, the crowns. Gotta have a library. And of course you have to have monkeys. Princess. Is she cute or what? This project was really a dry run for another project that I want to make using the freezer paper technique on wool pieces, but that's for another day. Exchangeable. I can't wait till you can have her in your lap and play with her with this. Now she's like 1.5, but she's still too young. I took it to Mimi's daycare and let a 3-year-old play with it, and she was too young also. So if you have any ideas of how old a child would have to be to play with a project like this, I would love to hear it, because I'm thinking maybe 5 or 6. And then it folds up into a castle. Made a little strap for it. But maybe it'll be a fun story to tell her. But this is what I made when she was born, and I was thinking of her. I dated it and put her name in there. But isn't that fun? So I will keep it for her until she is old enough to enjoy it. I sure did love making it for her. I made it from my heart, and I give it from my heart. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye.